Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Ebike. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust your rear suspension on the Dalat V1 Sport Edition. For this suspension, this is adjustable, so you guys can adjust it depending on the condition of the road or the terrain that you guys gonna be using the bike on. And I'm gonna show you guys in this video now. Okay, moving to the first scenario, when you guys gonna ride the bike off-road, and especially when you guys go trailing, the road gonna be very bumpy. In that condition, you guys want to make the suspension to be softer, so it's gonna absorb all the bumpy condition into the suspension, so make your ride more comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. So you guys gonna turn this knob right here counterclockwise to make it softer. Okay, so counterclockwise like this. You guys do this, you don't want to move this knob too much forward, because you don't want the suspension to be moving, so it's gonna create a weak point to here. It's gonna be snap if you guys like over adjusted this, so be very careful. After you guys adjust the knob here, check the suspension here, the spring here, you don't want it to be moving. Okay, so we are good to go. So we're gonna try it right now. So as you guys can see, it is much softer. Okay, so moving on to the second scenario, when you guys just use the bike for daily commute to work, to school, on a flat road. In that case, you want to make the suspension like stiffer, not moving too much compared to the previous adjustment. In order to do that, you just gonna turn this knob right here clockwise, so it's gonna be opposite compared to the last adjustment. You're gonna turn this clockwise like this. Okay, so as you guys can see, when we are turning it clockwise, the spring is compressed. After you do that, you can see the spring is compressed much more compared to the last adjustment. In this case, we're gonna try suspension right now. As you can see, it's stiffer, a bit harder, and not moving too much compared to the last adjustment. So that's how you guys adjust your rear suspension depending on the condition of the terrain, the road you guys are using in your area. The second part is also very important part as well. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly maintain your suspension to make it last as long as it can. Well, you're gonna need a lubrication. I recommend the wet lube. Okay, from Mock-Off. You guys can use the chain loop like this. What I'm gonna do is just put some lube into the middle part here, the metal part. Okay, and then at the same time, move the suspension to let the oil in. You want to put the grease around it so it doesn't seize after a while of using part. I'm gonna use Pactoon grease. Okay, you can see here, you're gonna put a bit grease here around the thread. Tie this so the grease gonna eat to the knob as well. Okay, there you go. Okay guys, so that's how you adjust your rear suspension on the Sport Edition Dalat V1. And I also show you guys how to properly maintain it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, just give me a thumb up and also subscribe to our channel. Have a good one, guys.